Hello YouTube. Today I'm gonna show you my PS3 that can play that the Blu-ray can't spin disc. You may have this problem, but I don't have the solution, so please help me. This is the Blu-ray. It looks fine. It's not dirty, but it's fucking useless. Here's Uncharted, the Blu-ray. Clean as fuck. Let's hear. Three spins, nothing. Doesn't work. Let's try PlayStation 2 game, which is DVD. It does like a it does like a slow spin, like that doesn't work. Let's try PC. Neko Bellic, best GTA character. The same with the PlayStation 2. God damn. So some people say it's not the Blu-ray, it's this fucking shit. And I tried to duct tape so the disc can spin. It was working sometimes, but then like I was playing FIFA 16 and in the middle of the game everything was shit. The game freezed, the PS3 won't turn off because the disc was spinning and I pressed the eject button but it was spinning because I duct taped the brake. And some people say open and do some shit, but is there a way to do it at home with no opening, no avoid warranty, no cheap eBay Blu-ray? Yeah, so please help.